So good morning everybody. Today is 15th August 2025 and we are assembled here in Jaipur Civil Lines Royal Enfield Showroom for 78th Independence Day ride. This is organized by Royal Enfield for Royal Enfield bikers and
आपके पास फोटो है लास्ट टाइम जब अपन गए थे
हाँ sure. So lot of enthusiasm here and lot of content creators have come, even kids have come. So good number of bikers have come here and you can see a lot of content creators doing different kind of content. So absolutely electrifying atmosphere over here for Royal Enfield Freedom Ride, Independence Day ride, I should say. And you are seeing this from Royal Enfield showroom here in Jaipur, Rajasthan. Royal Enfield showroom at Civil Lines. It is absolutely wonderful here. Today is Friday, 15th August 2025, and now the briefing is going to take place and all the riders are approaching the team leader for the briefing. Yo